your day has been positive and productive thus far. But today I'm coming to you to show you how to create some elegant high-end luxe faux flowers. Now I'm having to come back and redo it because I lost part of the footage. So I've already painted it, but my floral started out this navy blue, and I painted some silver and some white, but I got the silver ones here. So what we're going to do first, and while we're getting this ready, if you're not a family member of the Queen of DIY, why don't you hit that subscribe button? Make sure you tap your bell twice and you'll know when I am uploading a video. Alright, now what we're going to do is you got to have your Mod Podge, your glitter, and your paintbrush. And I just got a little tray. My little smaller plates, I don't know what I did with, but I'm just taking my Mod Podge, and I'm just pouring in glitter. And you know, you're going to know if you're doing it how much shine or sparkle you want on your faux flowers, but you just got to mix it up enough to get the desired look that you want. And this right here is not actually a technique that is actually my own. I first saw this technique used through, her channel name is called Lulu Skaggs. I'm going to drop it in my description box, but I saw her do this probably a year or so, a little more than a year ago, but it's been a while. But this is actually her technique that I am using, that I saw. So, but all you do is you take it and you just brush it on your floors. You do it as much or little as you want. And I want glitter, that glitter look throughout. And I'm trying to see if you can see exactly what I'm doing. So, and I'm just dabbing it in. And all you're going to do, and this is all you basically do. Now, if you want it to be heavier, I did not see her do this part, but because I do this technique here, I'm going to show you what I do as well. And that puts the glitter on it. But if you want it to be a little more heavier with your glitter, and I would recommend you actually opening up the top so you can get it, just barely shake a little bit more of that glitter on there, and you'll get that look there. So, and we're going to just do a couple of these because this is actually not going to be a real long drawn out video, just enough for you to see the technique. And I always make sure that I do put it on all of my outside leaves on my faux flowers, then I just dip or tap it in on the rest. But that's my technique. I want all of mine, and you don't have to do that. It's like I say, on any project, it's what you like best. And then I'll just take my Mod Podge and I will just dab it on. Now we're going to do that for the rest of the blues. And I'm going to also, even though we have our silver florals, now if you would like, if you can work better, it depends on what all works for you. You can actually take that flower off and actually just, now with the silver, this is just going to give that hint of that pop of that shine. And you just want to go through it, and on the silver, it doesn't have to be, it's just wherever it touch on the silver. And the silver looks like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish the rest. And once I finish, we'll come back and I'll let you see the completed look of all of the flowers here. All right, royalties, we're finished. And look at that silver on that rose. They are gorgeous. And you may not, now looking at it, I can see it. I don't know if the camera is actually showing you that pop of that silver with that. And that's what we have there. They are gorgeous. All right, and I hope you enjoyed this short video. We're going to do a couple of true to life 10 minutes or less videos. But if you have artificial flowers in your home and you're wanting to actually give your flowers a faux high-end look, as simple as adding you in some of that glitter on some. And I have another trick for floors as well that I'm going to get this stuff, and we'll show you how to do that. That's that other trick as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, everyone, if you're still watching and you're not a family member of the Queen of DIY, make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the bell twice so you'll be notified when I do upload a video. And you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone. Stay blessed and always stay positive.